The giant earthworm.
Incredibly sensitive to vibrations.
Drive you nuts, right?
If you have ever pondered on the existence of Earth's colossal wonders, then brace yourself for an immersive journey as we unveil truly extraordinary giant animals in this video. Yes, you will be marveled at the reality of their existence as we explore the secrets that make them stand out. Get ready to be spellbound by the genuine magic of our planet's oversized inhabitants on 15 abnormally large animals that really exist. Number 15. Blue whale. You guessed right. We are starting out with the popular blue whale. Because, why not? Have you ever wondered how a creature with a heart the size of a car navigates the oceans, communicates through haunting whale songs, and faces threats that jeopardize its existence? The blue whale is Earth's largest and most awe-inspiring creature. It commands both the depths of the ocean and the fascination of those who encounter it. Belonging to the baleen whale suborder, these marine giants are unparalleled in size, weighing up to a staggering 200 tons and stretching over 100 feet in length. Their colossal presence is marked by a distinctive bluish-gray skin adorned with mottled patterns, making them stand out as the true leviathans of the sea. One of the most remarkable aspects of the blue whale is its physiology. Its heart, a marvel of nature, can weigh as much as a car and propels an astonishing 10 tons of blood throughout its massive body. Despite their enormity, blue whales are gentle giants, relying on a unique feeding mechanism. Instead of teeth, they possess baleen plates that enable them to engage in lunge feeding. This involves accelerating toward dense swarms of krill, tiny shrimp-like organisms with mouths agape. The whales then filter immense volumes of water through their baleen plates, trapping and consuming their prey in a spectacle of grace and power. Blue whales lead lives of impressive migration, covering thousands of miles each year. Despite their colossal size, they showcase surprisingly graceful movements, often breaching the ocean's surface and displaying their massive tails. This spectacle, both majestic and humbling, reveals a side of these creatures that goes beyond their sheer size. Adding to the mystique of blue whales is their communication. Emitting hauntingly low-frequency vocalizations known as whale songs, these creatures use sound for both communication and, intriguingly, possibly, attracting mates. The intricate patterns and variations in their songs have captivated scientists and enthusiasts alike, offering a glimpse into the complex social lives of these giants beneath the waves. However, the magnificence of the blue whale is not without its challenges. Human activities pose significant threats to their survival. Ship strikes and entanglement in fishing gear represent formidable dangers, underscoring the urgent need for conservation efforts. As the largest animals on the planet, blue whales play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. Preserving their existence is not just an act of conservation, it is a commitment to safeguarding the health and vitality of our oceans. The blue whale is solid evidence to the wonders of the natural world. From its awe-inspiring size and unique feeding habits to its majestic migrations and haunting vocalizations, every aspect of the blue whale's existence captures the imagination. As stewards of the Earth, it is our responsibility to ensure the continued survival of these extraordinary beings, protecting not only a species, but also the intricate web of life that relies on the grandeur of the blue whale in our planet's vast oceans. Number 14. Biggest worm in the world. The title of the world's largest worm belongs to the giant Gippsland earthworm, an extraordinary creature found in the Gippsland region of Victoria, Australia. While many people may associate worms with small, garden-dwelling organisms, these remarkable species is indeed impressive for its size. This colossal invertebrate can grow up to 1 meter in length, making it one of the longest earthworms known to science, and has a distinctive pale pink coloration. Living in burrows that can extend several meters underground, the giant Gippsland earthworm is a fascinating example of Earth's diverse and often overlooked biodiversity. These colossal worms play a crucial role in maintaining soil health by aerating and enriching the Earth as they tunnel through it. The life cycle of the giant Gippsland earthworm is intricately connected to its environment. It begins with the worms hatching from tiny eggs, and they grow over several years to reach their impressive size. Despite their substantial length, these worms are relatively lightweight due to their slim bodies. The giant Gippsland earthworm faces several threats to its existence. Habitat destruction, primarily caused by human activities such as agriculture and urban development, poses a significant risk. Pollution and changes in land use also contribute to the decline of their populations. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the giant Gippsland earthworm and its habitat. Environmental organizations work to raise awareness about the importance of preserving these unique creatures for the ecosystems they inhabit. Efforts include promoting sustainable land management practices and creating protected areas to safeguard their natural habitats. Understanding the biology and behavior of the world's largest worm provides valuable insights into the delicate balance of ecosystems. The giant Gippsland earthworm's role in soil health and nutrient cycling underscores the interconnectedness of all living organisms in an ecosystem. While the giant Gippsland earthworm may hold the title for the largest worm, it is just one example of the incredible diversity of worms worldwide. Earth hosts a multitude of worm species, each adapted to its specific environment and playing a vital role in maintaining ecological harmony. Number 13. Capibara. Known for being the world's largest rodent, the capybara is a well-known creature. They are native to South America, particularly the Amazon rainforest. These semi-aquatic mammals are social animals with a unique appearance and intriguing behaviors. Capybaras resemble oversized guinea pigs, yet they can reach weights of up to 150 pounds. Their dense, coarse fur can range in color from brown to a reddish-brown hue. Notably, they have webbed feet, making them excellent swimmers. Living in groups, capybaras are highly social and often found near bodies of water where they can easily escape predators. These herbivorous rodents have a fascinating diet, predominantly consisting of aquatic plants, grasses, and fruits. Their efficient digestive system allows them to extract maximum nutrition from their herbivorous diet. One of the most endearing aspects of capybaras is their gentle nature. They are known to form strong bonds with each other, engaging in communal activities like grooming and vocal communication. They have even been observed forming symbiotic relationships with other animals, such as birds, that help them by picking off parasites. Capybaras have become popular in various cultures due to their amiable demeanor, and in some places, they are kept as exotic pets. However, it's essential to consider the specific needs and regulations surrounding their care. Overall, these giant rodents contribute to the rich tapestry of biodiversity in their native habitats, showcasing the intriguing diversity of life on Earth. Number 12. Goliath Birdeater, Spider. The Goliath Birdeater spider is an astonishing arachnid that resides in the rainforests of South America. As the world's largest spider, it captivates with its impressive size, hairy appearance, and fearsome name. Despite its name, the Goliath bird-eater does not primarily prey on birds, but its diet includes a variety of creatures, such as insects, small mammals, and amphibians. This massive spider can have a leg span of up to a foot, and its body can reach lengths of around 4 to 5 inches. Covered in dense, reddish-brown hairs, it has a menacing appearance that serves as both camouflage and a deterrent to potential predators. Despite its intimidating size, the Goliath bird-eater is generally not harmful to humans. It possesses fangs capable of delivering venom, but its bite is not lethal, causing reactions similar to a bee sting in most cases. Nevertheless, its primary defense mechanism is the release of irritating hairs from its abdomen, which can cause discomfort if they come into contact with the skin or eyes. These spiders are primarily terrestrial, creating burrows in the ground for shelter. They are nocturnal hunters, relying on their acute senses to detect prey. The Goliath bird-eater plays a crucial role in controlling insect populations in its habitat. Although the Goliath bird-eater's size and appearance may evoke fear, it is a fascinating example of the diverse and intricate web of life in the rainforests. Conservation efforts are essential to preserve these ecosystems, ensuring the survival of unique and extraordinary creatures like the Goliath Birdeater. Number 11. Giraffe. The giraffe stands as a truly extraordinary creature, recognized for its towering height and distinctively long neck. Native to the open savannas of Africa, giraffes are the world's tallest mammals, with some individuals reaching heights of 18 feet. Their iconic long necks, which can be up to 6 feet in length, allow them to reach vegetation high in trees that other herbivores cannot access. Giraffes boast a unique spotted coat pattern, with irregular patches of various shapes and sizes covering their bodies. This distinctive coat serves both as camouflage in their natural habitat and as a means of individual identification. Their extremely long and prehensile tongues, reaching up to 18 inches, aid in grasping and consuming leaves from branches high above the ground. These herbivores have a gentle nature, spending much of their time foraging and socializing in loose groups called towers. Despite their towering stature, giraffes are remarkably agile and can reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, especially when threatened by predators. One of the most captivating features of giraffes is their gracefully elongated neck, consisting of 7 vertebrae, the same number as in most mammals, including humans. Their powerful hearts, weighing up to 25 pounds, work tirelessly to pump blood to their brains despite the considerable distance from their hearts to their heads. Giraffes face conservation challenges, including habitat loss and poaching. Efforts are underway to protect these remarkable animals, recognizing their crucial role in maintaining the balance of African ecosystems. The giraffe, with its towering presence and gentle demeanor, remains an awe-inspiring symbol of the diverse and captivating wildlife found on our planet. Number 10. Saltwater Crocodile. Have you ever thought of the secrets lurking beneath the surface of tropical waters? Meet the saltwater crocodile, a living relic of prehistoric times and the world's largest living reptile. With a jaw-dropping length of up to 23 feet and weighing over a ton, these formidable predators dominate the brackish and saltwater habitats across the Indo-Pacific region. Saltwater crocodiles, often referred to as salties, are masterful hunters equipped with extraordinary adaptations. Their keen sense of sight, hearing, and stealth make them apex predators. Their powerful jaws house rows of razor-sharp teeth, capable of exerting immense pressure, ensuring a swift and deadly strike. These crocodiles are known for their remarkable ability to travel between freshwater and marine environments, allowing them to cover vast distances. While they primarily feast on fish, crustaceans, and mammals, they are opportunistic hunters, capable of taking down large prey, including sharks and even water buffalo. Despite their fearsome reputation, saltwater crocodiles play a crucial role in maintaining ecosystem balance. They regulate prey populations, preventing overpopulation of certain species and promoting overall biodiversity. Human encounters with saltwater crocodiles can be dangerous, as they are territorial and fiercely protective of their nests. Conservation efforts strive to mitigate conflicts between humans and crocodiles, recognizing the importance of preserving these ancient creatures. Habitat protection, along with responsible tourism practices, is essential for the survival of saltwater crocodiles and the delicate ecosystems they inhabit. The saltwater crocodile's existence offers a captivating glimpse into the marvels of the natural world, showcasing the coexistence of ancient predators with modern-day challenges. Number 9. Chinese giant salamander. Oh, because what the world really needed was a giant, slimy creature straight out of a monster movie, right? Well, meet the Chinese giant salamander, a real-life amphibious giant that defies the norms of your typical cute, tiny salamander. Forget about those miniature versions. We're talking about a species that can reach lengths of over 6 feet. Residing in the cool, fast-flowing streams of China, these slimy giants have an impressive array of peculiarities. Sporting wrinkled skin that resembles something out of a sci-fi flick, they've adapted to their aquatic lifestyle with webbed feet for efficient swimming. Oh, and did I mention their unusual, almost human-like face? It's enough to make you wonder if Mother Nature was feeling particularly creative that day. Chinese giant salamanders are nocturnal, adding an extra layer of mystery to their already eccentric existence. Primarily carnivorous, they feast on fish, insects, and other aquatic delights. Despite their size, they aren't exactly Olympic sprinters on land, relying on stealth and camouflage to nab their prey. These giant salamanders face a challenging reality, with habitat destruction and overexploitation pushing them toward the endangered list. Conservation efforts are underway to protect their unique habitat and ensure these oddly captivating creatures continue to grace the streams of China. Mother Nature sure knows how to keep us on our toes. Number 8. Whale shark. Imagine what happens when you combine the majestic grace of a whale with the awe-inspiring power of a shark. The whale shark is the largest fish on the planet and a living testament to the wonders of the ocean. Despite its imposing size, this gentle giant is a filter feeder, cruising through tropical waters with a mouth wide enough to fit a small car. With lengths exceeding 40 feet, the whale shark is an underwater colossus. Its distinctive checkerboard pattern, a mosaic of white spots and lines on a dark background, makes it easily recognizable. Unlike its toothy relatives, the whale shark sustains itself by sieving plankton, small fish, and microscopic organisms through its gargantuan mouth, employing rows of tiny teeth more suited for the role of a marine sieve. These giants are renowned for their peaceful nature, often allowing divers to swim alongside them. Their docile demeanor is a stark contrast to their size, which can rival that of some whales. Remarkably, these solitary creatures embark on incredible transoceanic journeys, covering thousands of miles in search of food. While whale sharks are not without threats, including habitat degradation and accidental entanglement in fishing gear, conservation initiatives strive to protect these marine marvels. Some regions actively promote responsible ecotourism, providing people the opportunity to witness these giants in their natural habitat while contributing to their preservation. The whale shark, with its colossal proportions and gentle disposition, serves as a symbol of the wonders that lie beneath the ocean's surface, captivating the imaginations of marine enthusiasts and conservationists alike. Number 7. African elephant. Meet the African elephant, a colossal creature that walks the earth with an unmatched blend of strength, intelligence, and familial bonds. With its iconic large ears and elongated tusks, this magnificent mammal roams the savannas and forests of Africa, leaving an indelible mark on the continent's diverse ecosystems. African elephants are the largest land animals, weighing up to 14,000 pounds. Their large ears serve a dual purpose, not only aiding in cooling their massive bodies under the scorching African sun, but also providing acute hearing for communication. These gentle giants possess a complex social structure, forming tight-knit family groups led by the oldest and most experienced female, known as the matriarch. With a keen sense of empathy and self-awareness, African elephants are renowned for their emotional intelligence. They mourn their dead, celebrate births, and demonstrate a remarkable memory that aids in navigation across vast landscapes. Their trunks, a fusion of the nose and upper lip, function as versatile tools, capable of delicate tasks like picking up small objects or powerful enough to uproot trees. Despite their impressive size, African elephants are herbivores, consuming an astonishing amount of vegetation daily. This makes them vital to maintaining the balance of their ecosystems by controlling vegetation, creating pathways for other animals, and dispersing seeds. These majestic creatures unfortunately face numerous threats, including habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching for their ivory tusks. They stand as a testament to the intricate web of life on our planet. Number 6. Eastern gorilla. Let's journey into the world of the eastern gorilla, a magnificent primate residing in the dense forests of Central and Eastern Africa. With its imposing yet gentle presence, the eastern gorilla is one of our closest relatives, sharing about 98% of its DNA with humans. Divided into two subspecies, the eastern lowland gorilla and the mountain gorilla, these remarkable creatures navigate the lush landscapes of their habitats. The mountain gorilla, dwelling in the volcanic slopes of the Virunga Mountains, boasts a dense black fur coat and a robust build. On the other hand, the eastern lowland gorilla, found in the lowland forests of the Democratic Republic of Congo, sports a slightly lighter coat. Family is at the heart of eastern gorilla society, organized in cohesive groups led by a dominant silverback male. These groups foster strong social bonds, with intricate communication through vocalizations, gestures, and expressive faces. The silverback, named for the silvery hair on his back, serves as the protector and leader of the group. While primarily herbivores, eastern gorillas consume a diverse diet of leaves, fruits, and plant shoots. Their existence plays a vital role in forest ecosystems as they aid in seed dispersal, contributing to the biodiversity of their habitats. Tragically, eastern gorillas face threats such as habitat destruction, poaching, and disease. The eastern gorilla, with its complex social structure and striking similarities to humans, epitomizes the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. Now it's time for today's subscriber pick. All right, folks, before we dive into the next jaw-dropping creature on our list of 15 abnormally large animals that really exist, we want to hear from you. Stare clearly at this image. Where in the world did this large and really long snake come from? The crowd seems to be as amazed as we are. This is every word strange. We would like to know what thoughts are on your mind. Let us know below. Also, which colossal critter has blown your mind so far? Drop your thoughts in the comments section. We are hanging on the edge of our seats to hear your thoughts on this abnormal animal in the image and which gigantic marvel has captured your imagination. And hey, if you've got a favorite colossal creature that didn't make the list, let us know. Let's keep this animal kingdom conversation rolling. Number 5. Kodiak Bear. The Kodiak Bear, a formidable subspecies of the brown bear, is native to the Kodiak archipelago in Alaska. These bears are renowned for their impressive size, with adult males often exceeding 1,500 pounds, making them one of the largest bear species globally. This remarkable size is attributed to the abundant food resources on the archipelago, fostering their growth. In terms of appearance, Kodiak bears share similarities with other brown bears, featuring a distinctive hump on their shoulders, which is a powerful muscle mass used for digging and running. Their fur can vary in color from blonde to a dark brown, adapting to the diverse environments of their habitat. Kodiak bears lead a predominantly solitary lifestyle, and their diet is diverse, consisting of both plant matter and animal protein. They are skilled fishermen, preying on salmon during the spawning season. Berries, roots, and grasses also contribute to their diet, especially in the summer months when these food sources are abundant. These bears play a crucial role in the ecosystem by influencing the population of prey species and aiding in seed dispersal through their feeding habits. Despite their solitary nature, Kodiak bears may congregate near concentrated food sources, leading to occasional social interactions. Human interaction with Kodiak bears requires caution and respect for their natural habitat. While these bears generally avoid confrontations, they can be defensive when threatened. Overall, the Kodiak bear stands as a majestic symbol of the Alaskan wilderness, captivating observers with its size, strength, and crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of its habitat. Number 4. Japanese spider crab. The Japanese spider crab is a fascinating and unusually large marine creature that indeed exists. With legs spanning up to 12 feet, it holds the title for the longest leg span of any arthropod. Found in the deep waters surrounding Japan, these crabs boast a remarkable appearance with their spindly long limbs. Their bodies, adorned with a distinctive spiky shell, help them blend into their surroundings on the ocean floor. Despite their intimidating appearance, Japanese spider crabs are generally docile and pose no threat to humans. They use their lengthy limbs to scavenge for food on the seafloor, primarily feeding on mollusks and other small marine organisms. These crabs undergo an intriguing molting process as they grow, shedding their exoskeleton to allow for expansion. During this vulnerable period, they seek shelter to protect themselves from predators until their new shell hardens. Due to their unique characteristics, Japanese spider crabs have become a subject of interest in marine biology and are often featured in aquariums. Observing these giants in captivity provides valuable insights into their behavior and life cycle. The Japanese spider crab stands out as an extraordinary example of marine biodiversity, captivating scientists and enthusiasts alike with its colossal size and intriguing adaptations to life in the depths of the ocean. Number 3. Flemish giant rabbit. The Flemish giant rabbit is an extraordinary breed that truly exists, captivating animal lovers with its remarkable size and gentle demeanor. Originating in Belgium, these rabbits are renowned for being one of the largest domestic rabbit breeds. Their sheer size, weighing in at around 14 to 18 pounds or more, sets them apart in the world of rabbits. Beyond their impressive size, Flemish giants are recognized for their distinctively soft, dense fur and a variety of coat colors, including sandy, black, blue, and more. Despite their large stature, these rabbits are known for their friendly and docile nature, making them suitable as pets for those who have enough space to accommodate their size. Flemish giants have a calm disposition, often described as gentle giants, and they form strong bonds with their human companions. Proper care involves providing a spacious living environment, a balanced diet, and regular grooming to maintain their luxurious fur. Originally bred for meat and fur production, the Flemish giant rabbit has gained popularity as a beloved pet in many households. Their endearing characteristics and sociable nature make them wonderful companions, although potential owners should be aware of the commitment involved in caring for a rabbit of such substantial size. In the world of domestic rabbits, the Flemish giant stands out not only for its size, but also for its charming personality, making it a unique and cherished member of the rabbit family. Number 2. Green Anaconda. The green anaconda, a truly existent marvel of the animal kingdom, is one of the largest and heaviest snakes on Earth. Thriving in the dense rainforests of South America, particularly in the Amazon basin, these serpents can reach astonishing lengths, with some individuals surpassing 20 feet and weighing over 200 pounds. Renowned for their impressive girth and striking greenish-brown coloration, green anacondas are powerful constrictors, utilizing their muscular bodies to grasp and squeeze their prey. Their diet primarily consists of aquatic animals, such as fish, turtles, and capybaras, though they've been known to take on larger prey, including deer and caimans. In addition to their remarkable size, green anacondas are well adapted to aquatic life. They are proficient swimmers, often lying in wait submerged in water with only their eyes and nostrils exposed. Their ability to remain submerged for extended periods aids in surprise attacks on unsuspecting prey. The reproductive habits of green anacondas are equally intriguing. They give birth to live young rather than laying eggs, and a single female can produce a large number of offspring, potentially reaching up to 40 baby snakes in one brood. While their immense size and fearsome reputation may evoke awe and caution, green anacondas typically avoid confrontation with humans. However, habitat destruction and hunting pose threats to their populations. Conservation efforts strive to protect their natural habitats and promote coexistence. Number 1. Ocean sunfish. The ocean sunfish, an exceptionally unique creature, is the heaviest known bony fish, fascinating marine enthusiasts with its peculiar appearance and behavior. Also known as mola, these massive fish are found in oceans around the world, preferring temperate and tropical waters. The ocean sunfish's distinctive flattened body and circular shape set it apart from other fish species. Measuring up to 10 feet vertically and weighing as much as 5,000 pounds, ocean sunfish have a distinctive appearance with their truncated, fin-like tails and large dorsal and anal fins. Despite their enormous size, they primarily feed on jellyfish, using their beak-like mouths to consume their gelatinous prey. This specialized diet contributes to their slow growth rate and the need for vast amounts of ocean to sustain their bulk. Interestingly, ocean sunfish are known for their sunbathing behavior. They often float near the water's surface, basking in the sun to regulate their body temperature after deep dives into colder waters. This behavior, coupled with their peculiar appearance, has earned them the nickname sunfish. Reproduction in ocean sunfish involves producing a massive number of eggs, with a single female capable of laying hundreds of millions. Their young undergo a fascinating transformation, developing from tiny larvae to the enormous adult form. While ocean sunfish are not aggressive toward humans, they face threats from bycatch and fishing gear, plastic pollution, and boat strikes. Nature occasionally surprises us with abnormally large animals, defying our expectations and unraveling the tapestry of biodiversity in astonishing ways. These abnormally large animals captivate our imagination, beckoning us to explore the boundaries of the natural world and appreciate the marvels that exist beyond our everyday awareness. In their grandeur, these creatures invite us to ponder the intricacies of ecosystems and the resilience of life in its many extraordinary forms. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.